Efforts to ban abortion in Nebraska have been mostly unsuccessful in recent years, but a new bill is expected to bring a battle in the legislature this season. 3 News Now reporter Alex Whitney reports from Lincoln.
Just a little over 6 months ago, the Supreme Court's Dobbs decision, which effectively overturned Roe v. Wade, lit a fire under anti-abortion and abortion rights activists alike. All these months later, that fire is still burning. The battle over abortion in Nebraska is coming in the form of a new bill, LB 626. The bill, which supporters call the Nebraska Heartbeat Act, looks to ban any abortions after a heartbeat is detected in a fetus. Its hearing drew hundreds to the Capitol on Wednesday.
We can protect and empower women, so let's start here in a place where we should all be able to agree women deserve support and the babies with beating hearts should be protected.
LB 626 is just one of several bills that have been introduced in the last few years to limit access to abortion. None of the recent bills have seen much success, and opponents of the latest anti-abortion legislation are confident they can prevail again against LB 626.
We will defeat any attempt in this state to put laws on our bodies, to tell us what we can and can't do with our own reproductive futures, because the majority of Nebraskans understand that abortion is as extreme. Banning abortion is as extreme as it is unnecessary.
There are some key differences between LB 626 and previous legislation that could lead to more success this session. The first is the makeup of the legislature. While not filibuster-proof, there is a much larger conservative majority in the legislature than in 2022, when a total ban on abortion was defeated by just 2 votes. The second are the penalties involved. LB 626 limits its penalties to doctors performing abortions and only threatens them with pulling their medical license rather than jail time.
For any abortionist who violates the Nebraska Heartbeat Act, they will have their medical license subject to discipline by the Director of Public Health in consultation with their board of peers, like any other instance of serious, unprofessional conduct.
Despite the concessions to the bill, opposition was fierce at the bill's hearing, and opponents promised they would continue their fight through the entire session.
I need you to come back when we have that bill on the floor, when it's going through the first round of debate, and we're taking that bill 8 hours plus, wearing everybody out.
In Lincoln, Alex Whitney, 3 News Now.
Today was just a hearing for LB 626. No votes have been taken, and a debate on the bill will be scheduled later this session.